Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss a topic that many people ponder when it comes to their housing decisions: renting versus buying a home. Both options have their advantages and disadvantages, so let's dive in and explore the pros and cons of each. Let's start with the pros of renting. One of the significant advantages is flexibility. Renting allows you to have the freedom to move more easily if your circumstances change, such as a job relocation or desire for a different neighborhood. You're not tied down to a specific property, and this flexibility can be quite appealing. Another advantage is maintenance and repairs. As a renter, you're generally not responsible for major repairs or maintenance costs. When something breaks, you can simply contact your landlord, and they'll take care of it. This can save you time, money, and the hassle of dealing with unexpected expenses. Now, let's explore some of the cons of renting. First and foremost, you're not building equity. Unlike homeowners who build equity over time as they pay off their mortgage, renters don't accumulate ownership of the property they live in. This can be seen as a missed opportunity for long-term wealth accumulation. Additionally, rent prices can increase over time, especially in high-demand areas. This lack of control over the cost of your housing can make it challenging to plan for your long-term budget. Renting also means you may have restrictions on personalization and customization of your living space, as you typically need to seek permission from the landlord for any modifications. Moving on to the pros of buying a home. One of the most significant advantages is the sense of ownership and stability it provides. When you buy a home, it becomes your own, allowing you to establish roots in a community and have a place to call your own. Home ownership can also provide a sense of pride and the freedom to personalize your space without limitations. Another advantage is the potential for long-term financial gain. Real estate historically appreciates over time, meaning your home could increase in value, allowing you to build equity. Home ownership can also provide certain tax benefits, such as deductions for mortgage interest and property taxes, which can contribute to your financial well-being. Lastly, let's discuss the cons of buying a home. One major drawback is the upfront costs. Buying a home requires a significant amount of money for the down payment, closing costs, and other associated expenses. It may take years to recoup these costs and start building equity. Owning a home also comes with ongoing responsibilities, including maintenance and repairs. Unlike renting, you're solely responsible for these costs, which can sometimes be expensive and time-consuming. Additionally, if you need to move quickly, selling a home can be a lengthy process that requires careful planning and market conditions. So, there you have it, the pros and cons of renting versus buying a home. Ultimately, the decision should be based on your circumstances, financial goals, and lifestyle preferences. It's essential to weigh these factors carefully and consider consulting with professionals, such as real estate agents or financial advisors, to make an informed choice. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. See you next time.